create new from there. The best way to look at it or to look for it and start is by clicking on the search bar and typing Excel. It will show up, and I will click on it and it will be launched. Processing, as you can see. Just wait for it to load because it's an app that is very heavy. It takes time to load at times, especially when you use a RAM that is not too so fast. So that's it, loading. Now it has where you can choose from recent documents developed from a template, or you create a blank document. It's an activation pop-up. You don't need it, especially when you are using the one online. Click on your blank document, then you have it this way, and it's launched. This is the best and the easiest way to launch it from anywhere. If you think going through the other steps will be difficult. Now I'll minimize it and go through, use the second one. Now the second one is by clicking on the start menu and then picking it from the start area. We have it here. It's 2013. 2013 is the year it was updated. So we'll still click on the blank. Now if I click on the blank, it will first bring up the minimize one. I don't want to minimize it because it will take time to reload, but it will still bring that one and open a new document again. So this is book 2. The first one was book 1. This one was book 1. This one is even wide. You can see the difference, but it doesn't stop it from opening wide the second time too. I'll still minimize it too and go for the third option, which is by clicking on the quick launch at the bottom here. Because since it's already open, if I click now, it will be bringing up this the opened ones. So I'll close them and click again. I'll click on the quick launch button, opens. I'll click on the blank document, close activation window. Each time you have not activated and you are opening it the first time, it will bring up the activation window. So this is it. Now this is the main view for a fresh opened document. We can start working right now. Spreadsheet. Or sheet for students. I have it there. I can format it. We have the title bar, the menu bar, we have the ribbon or the formatting tools bar, we have name box, we have formula bar, and then the working page where it has cells. Each one of it is called a cell, but the whole of them are called cells. So it is